equities yet engender empty exchequers? I've been the Rye ringmaster reigning over the Ultra Risk EA V1.0 MT5 on my XM account for months. And zounds, it's risked my capital to plus 88.62% gains with the panache of a parodic high-wire act. A Telegram tattler trumpeted it as the EA that dances on the edge without falling, and after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this ultra-risky virtuoso of volatility. The zip folder for the Ultra Risk EA V1.0 MT5 disrobes with ducal decorum. A brisk right-click and extract here liberates the EX5 file, set file, and installation instructions in seconds. I ferried the EX5 to MT5's Experts Enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the Ultra Risk EA V1.0 MT5 to multiple pairs M5 proscenium, invoked the set file, and it commenced its pirouette of trades forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLs, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFXBook as one might a scandal sheet. And there the Ultra Risk EA V1.0 MT5 parades its plus 88.62%. Absolute gain escapade on XM, ballooning deposits into $1,745.04 balance with $853.20 profit after no withdrawals. Daily 2.29% chuckles, monthly 88.62% guffaws. Equity curve a bemused ascent, lampooning manual traders' flatlines with nary a notable nadir. Profitability at high level, meaning trades winners, way above the 60% benchmark for multi-pair bots that chase wild swings. Average win? A juicy pips per pop, while losses are reined in thanks to the Ultra Risk EA V1.0 MT5s. Built-in news-aware filtering and dynamic lot sizing that keep drawdowns tame. Get this. Net profit massive. That's the kind of edge that compounds fast on volatile pairs without overtrading. Drawdowns only 19.48% absolute, so even in choppy sessions, equity barely blinked, risk of ruin negligible, profit factor high more than covers it. For every dollar risked, you're pulling in massive back. Commissions? Low on my broker, but even with fees, the expectancy of high per trade covers it easy. Average hold time reasonable for M5 entries. This month's analytics? Steady climb with the graph drawdown barely a blip. It's not just surviving market noise, it's thriving, giving me time to actually enjoy the wins instead of glued to screens. If you're after bots that deliver 88% plus yearly without the heart attacks, this Ultra Risk EA V1.0 MT5 is the real deal, hands down. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fired the Ultra Risk EA V1.0 MT5 on MT5 with ticks from September 25 data and, solid numbers. Initial deposit $10,000. Total net profit $8,132.53. Gross profits $12,025.84, edging out losses of negative $3,893.31 for that clean edge. Trades total balanced. Win rate high overall, average trade netting positive with max drawdown low absolute. Quick scalps, no drama, perfect for live confidence. So, wrapping this up, if the Ultra Risk EA V1.0 MT5 has you as pumped as it has me after testing it hands-on, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting Ultra Risk EA V1.0 MT5 strategies. Links right there too. Alright, that's my take. Happy trading, folks.